Hey everyone, and thanks for coming back to Wealthy Coin. It is thought that a Shiba Inu coin will be worth that much on December 20, 2022. What makes Christmas unique is the good news from Shib Gifts. The way the coin market is right now makes it clear that any change in the trend will be fine right now. Traders want to make money after losing money for a year in a row. In this movie news from Shib, we'll talk about how much a Shiba Inu coin will be worth on December 20, 2022. During this time, vids are always there. Don't forget to give the video a good review. Please share and subscribe to see more in-depth research and price predictions for SHAs. Now is the time to start the movie. She will continue to amaze people who know a lot about cryptocurrencies and are interested in them. A lot of people are interested in how the shoe has survived and changed over time. It was even named one of the best badges in the world. The people who made this joke coin must have given a lot of thought to how people will use it. Rossi, the people who worked on SHNU, broke away from Dogecoin. Their easy plan was to make a new cryptocurrency to get rid of Doge. However, they knew they had to come up with a project to fix Dogecoin's problems, and even though it was these people did a great job. One thing that makes SHU unique is that it has a limited quantity and a flash and ARI technique. With this type of source and method, there will always be people who want to buy the ticket. Shiba Inu can also be used to build other things. The letter SHIB stands for SHU. The Ethereum blockchain is where Dogecoin is made, but the Binance Smart Chain is where SHU is made. One of the two most well-known joke coins is this one. Dogecoin is the other one. But the SHIB token's price has been going down below a long-term line of support that goes down from 15 August to 29 October to November 4. Soon after it fell below the support area of 97 cents. This line was rejected many times in red rings. It hit a low of 81 cents at the end of November 22. This caused the price of the SHIB token to start going up, but not before the daily RSI green line showed a positive divergence, made a long upper wick red sign, and dropped a lot the next day, along with the daily RSI rejection from the 50 line. The price of the SHIB went up because of this, but it still couldn't break through the 97-cent wall. In this denial, the daily time range was also given. Technical research shows that the SHIB price needs to go back to around 97 cents in the new price forecast. For the most part, this is because of a finished LVX metal upward correcting structure, where waves were almost all the same size. If the drop keeps going, the 1.61 exterior, you can use the most recent rise to find the next closest support spot. The SHIO price would have to go above the wave Y high in the red line, which is 10 cents, and then go down to a low of 69 for this SHIB price prediction to be wrong. We've watched The Simpsons since we were kids, and it's also a great way to guess what will happen. A lot of what people said they thought would happen has come true. For example, the fake news about the death of Queen Elizabeth II came true. The well-known show has also said some shocking things that have turned out to be true. If you watch The Simpsons, you may know that the term The Simpsons has done it again has become big over the years. It has been on since 1989 and is still going strong, making it the longest-running American comic show. There you have it, everything you need to know about the new satirical show's 2019 statements, including whether or not they came true. Last month, Selman gave hints that the program might have a secret tool that could tell the future. In episode 13 of season 31 of The Simpsons, a crazy guess was made. It was made fun of by writers Frank Coy and Shiba Inu coin. This episode says that Lisa used the Frank coin to help her find Professor Frank, the person who made the Frank coin, and questioned him at the Lentil Institute while the Simpson family was having lunch. When Frank gets rich, it's missed. As Smithers gets a group together to make Burns coins and comes up with a way to make more money, they fight. In the show, Frank has now lost all of his money. Shia coins lost 16.5% of their value and were worth $1,494 in May 2022, but they were still a big deal. In a newspaper story, the front of the new coin is shown. SHU is an old coin built on Ethereum that is represented by the Shiba Inu hunting. If you haven't heard of it before, Investopedia 2022 has more information. How many people see it as a way to avoid pay and should army? People who believe in dog, a coin talk a lot about it. Besides Bitcoin, the show has also talked about other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, SHIB, and Bitcoin Cash at all of its events. Her creation in August 2020 came from a group or person called Rosie. The price of a shoe went up by more than 10 times on October 29, 2020, putting it worth more than $41 billion. Its market value dropped sharply to $16 billion on February 14, 2022. However, a New York-based multi-asset trading site named Wheel ranked Shiba Inu as the second most popular cryptocurrency. This is going on at the same time that the meme coin is becoming more well-known and entering new markets. By this measure, SHIB is still one of the 10 most popular cryptocurrencies. An image from a financial series company shows that more people use the dog-themed cryptocurrency Dogecoin than Bitcoin, BTC, Ether, and Litecoin, LTC. In the last week, Dogecoin has become more well-known than SHIB. You can trade without fees on Sol and Pundik, and another market also thinks SHIBs are good investments. For this week, many platforms have either said they will add the token to their lists or have already done so. Okay, then. Coin people who like Japanese SHIBs are glad that Bito was the first big Japanese exchange to list the joke coin in November. In the same way, Big Castle, a big market in Singapore, added SHIB and SHIB trade pair earlier this month. In answer to a SHIB supporter, the Japanese arm of the OK Group Corporation said they were thinking about the meme coin. He asked trades in the country for 148 days to sell the SHIB, and they said that they had seen it. Because V Castle is on exchanges, users who log in every day are getting SHIBs as a prize. SHIB is not only going into new markets, but its ecosystem is also growing quickly. More and more businesses in all kinds of fields are starting to accept SHIB as payment. Two new companies in this group are Atheist Shoes, a German company that makes handmade shoes, and the luxury vehicle dealer Exclusive Automotive Group, based in Virginia. Because they work with the cryptocurrency payment provider PigPay, both stores accept the meme coin. As well as on the SHIB, the start of Shirian is getting closer and closer. It has to do with the metaverse protocol SHIB and the number of games that will make the meme coin more useful. It costs about 91 cents to buy a chip. Today is the last day. Thanks for watching our videos. Please share them, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to see more. Since the beginning of the year, the price of the token has gone down by 2.61% in the last 24 hours. Also, in the past month, it has gone down by 23.5%, or 72.8%. Fans of SHIB still think that the token will soon reach new highs because it is growing so quickly and has more and more uses.